You know, it's springtime when the construction trailer is out of the pole barn. I had it pulled out by a friend with a tractor the other day. It always sits in the middle bay here. And I just walked through all the safety steps to make sure it was ready to go. I had to check the brake lights to make sure they were okay, turn signals, make sure that the connections were all good here. That's all things that you should go through when you take your trailer out for the first time. Make sure that all the running lights work. I've got it blocked right now. Take those out. I just connected my trailer to here. One trick that I use from some people I follow on YouTube, Keep Your Daydreams, is if you ever have trouble backing up to the trailer here, and then you put it in park and then it rolls forward and then you don't know what to do. Real simple thing. I don't know why I didn't think of it. They just suggested that you get it underneath the trailer, which you can see with the little camera on the back of the truck. You get it where you want, just put on the e-brake, then put it in park. Every time it's lined up perfectly. So that's it. I'm just getting ready. I'm going to start working clients' gardens this week. Just making sure everything works here and organizing the inside of the trailer.